Even if Mexican Spanish has the same vocabulary as all the Spanish, there are still some differences. Here are some words that have a special meaning in Mexico. First of all, we have the word padre, which means father. But in Mexico, we use it also to say great or awesome in a very enthusiastic way. ¡Qué padre! How awesome! Then we have the word güey. Güey is like dude or man in Mexico, but in Spain you might ask a friend, ¿Qué pasa, tío? While in Mexico you will say, ¿Qué onda, güey? Mande. Instead of saying ¿qué?, meaning what, we will use mande, which is more like pardon. We even use it with friends and family. We are polite like that.